What are you wearing a hat?
Yeah, it's, you know, when you're getting old, it's your body, it's different now. You feel cold even you're inside the house.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Ano to?
That's why I'm protecting my head. You know, I'm already 63, going on 64. Okay? So I want to take care of my
Okay, good.
okay. Nakain mo na ba to?
Ang kinain ko lang yung shrimp. Ayaw ko yung fried rice.
Ha?
Ayaw ko yung kanin. I don't like the fried rice. Thank you, Phil.
By the way, magsisimba kami din yung Dr. Niagara kasi may natin si Daddy.
Oh, can I go?
Ha?
Can I come? Mag-vlog ako.
Okay, if you want to. Why not?
Okay, I'm gonna
Sabi doon
vlog.
ng mga tao, maligo ka.
Yeah, but I have to vlog.
May nighting, ha? May
Okay.
nighting.
Okay, I'm gonna vlog. Bye.
Okay. Nandun si na Frank, nandun si na S,
Makapag ko there.
nandun si na, ano,
Maybe.
mga